Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Biafra National League leader, the person of Prince Godwin, he don't send the one and only message that a lot of people has been waiting for. He don't send that to all the enemies. See, you can hurry now and also check him out on Biafra National League so that you will be there and listen and get all the update, everything that is happening in Abazonia, in Bakassi Peninsula. You will hear everything from him. So listen to him right now, and I'll be right back.
Coastal area, Cameroon border area. A lot has been happening. Both the one the media is reporting and the one that they are not reporting. A lot has been happening at the operational headquarters or operational base of BNL. So it has not been easy for us, the Bakassi area where we control. What is happening in Bakassi is expected. The crisis over there, the complete full-blown war that is going on in Bakassi. Battle for control over who controls the territory between us and the enemy invaders. I call them enemy invaders because they are strangers while we are the landlords. When they come into our territory, they are invaders. And that is why I refer to them as enemy invaders. They are invading our territory to steal our resources and maltreat our people, intimidate our people. Some time ago, our loyalists, those who are fighting with arms, I call them our loyalists because they are supporting us, and whatever they are doing it in our interest. Some time ago, the Bakassi headquarters was captured and placed under our control for complete 2 weeks by the Dragon Fighter Marine, the Pro-Biafra fighter group. And after 2 weeks, I think the enemies, it was retaken by the enemy invaders. There was also an immediate response by another freedom fighting group, which is the Black Marine. And along the line, I think the Cameroonian government deployed the rapid intervention battalions to join forces with the gendarmes which became a combined team to battle the Black Marine. Despite the combined effort, I'm talking to you, they have not been able to defeat the Black Marine over there. News also came to us 2 days ago that the Black Marine have captured the headquarters, the administrative headquarters. And that report is bumped from the territorial authority, debunking the report. Of course, they will never accept the fact that we are winning. It will be a very shameful thing for them to accept. The Black Marine and the Dragon Fighter Marine do not only operate in Bakassi. To my knowledge, Bakassi, I think, is just a base. It is time for the enemy forces to accept the fact that the Biafran fighters over there are not just an ordinary armed group. But these boys operate up to Gabon. I'm not talking of the Nigerian side now. They be supposed to know that these boys operate cross even Cameroon and operate up to Gabon. With the level of challenge at Bakassi, the enemy invaders ought to have learned a very big lesson. By now they should understand that these are not ordinary militants, as reports may have it or described them. We are winning the battle. Or whatever the Black Marine, the Dragon Fighter Marine are doing, they are doing it as our loyalists, and they are doing it for the interest of our struggle, for the interest of political and religious emancipation of our people, for the interest of Biafra. And they operate under the influence of BNL. But the BNL members are within that the Bakassi area are all indigenous of Bakassi, with large numbers from Akwa Ibom. And Cross River State. And so it will be difficult to dislodge, or whatever they will call it, BNL members. We cannot, because the territory is their own. They are indigenous and not strangers. Same applies to the Black Marine and the Dragon Fighter Marine. I'm also using this opportunity to call on Cameroonian authority to withdraw all standing troops. We withdraw them from Bakassi. That is the only thing that will restore peace in the region. All standing troops will back down. They will be withdrawn immediately. The same thing applies to not just to the Cameroon government, but to the joint border patrol at the maritime border area of joint border patrol of both Nigeria and Cameroon. Immediately be disbanded for peace to reign, because I don't think these boys will listen to anybody. If they meet you with gun, is a problem. It will be a problem for you that is holding gun. For peace to reign is for the joint border patrol to be disbanded completely. Cameroon should withdraw their men from Bakassi completely, and all oil firms still operating in Bakassi should immediately cease operation. Don't say you were not warned, or you were not told, or you were not advised. The Arab Energy have withdrawn for the past 2 weeks now. The Universal Energy is still operating, which is a company working for Nigeria government, as well as every other company too that are operating at the maritime border. I am calling on them to suspend operation. We may consider if they will humble themselves and come to us for proper agreement. You cannot be drilling oil and be paying tax. We need invaders to generating money, arm their forces to come and kill our people. So they have to suspend and come into terms agreement with us. Otherwise, they will be forced to shut down completely. I tell you this because I know what our loyalists, I know what our boys over there can do. I know what they can do, and that is why I'm appealing to them. It's an appeal for their own safety, for peaceful operation of drilling of oil exploitation, for the atmosphere to be peaceful for them to operate. They should suspend and come to agreement with us. That is, if they have ears, but it's only those who have ears that can hear. But if they don't, then anything they see, they should accept in good faith. Then I said what I want to say. There's no going back. All what we are doing is for the interest of our people. We are not criminals. We are not killers. We are freedom fighters. We are freedom fighters. And I'm not a militant leader, I'm a freedom fighter. It depends on how you see it. We are not terrorists. It depends on how you see it. But whatever name you call us, that is your own. It will not stop us. So let the parties involved that I mentioned on this video do the needful. The only way you do the needful, we can sue for peace. We can sue for peace. Of course, we know how to call our boys to order. Withdraw your troops, withdraw standing to all foreign forces should be withdrawn for peace to reign. And for the oil firm, they have to suspend. They have to suspend immediately. Immediately. They have to join the Arab energy that have suspended operation. They want to operate peacefully. Unless they don't want peace. We will not allow you to continue to drill, to suck us dry, suck all our resources while we are not benefiting from it. We will not allow that. We are not going to give anybody that chance. And those of you that are coming for peace move, you are coming for, recently there are some persons sent by Cameroon government. I don't know whether they are coming, they came in as I don't know whether they are NGO or whatever. They are coming for environmental, whatever. You left what you came for. They are suing for peace in Bakassi. The video was forwarded to me the other day by some of the youth leaders there, people that came to visit them. They left the mission, which is environmental, whatever, that I saw on that on the post that on the pictures and the post that the people in question made. And some of you are going behind to begin to convince our people, talk to our people. If you are caught, we allow visitors to visit our territory. If you are coming with something good, with the weapon you receive. So if you are coming in a funny way, you have another hidden agenda, hidden purpose. If you are caught, your name is sorry. I'm using this opportunity to warn any group of persons that are coming to Bakassi with another intention. What you make public is not what you came for. If you are caught, your name is sorry. Your name is sorry, because we have informed or instructed our members to fish any of you out that are in for another purpose. We want to come and deceive our people. BNL members are monitoring you wherever you are. If you are fished out, you become a scapegoat. If you come for another purpose, what you came for your mission, you do it and go. Do it and go. Don't say you were not warned. I'm making this video, share it widely. If you are in Yaoundé, you are in Douala, you are in Bamenda, wherever you are, you are in Bakassi, share this video widely, let it go viral and reach those that are coming in. We know those of you that are coming in. I've seen videos, I've seen pictures, we know where people are. If you are coming for other purpose, let the report that we received by giving you a second chance. Share this video widely. If you have know any of them, any of your these agents that are coming to Bakassi to deceive our people, that if they are caught, their name is sorry. Anybody who is caught, we will change your name to what? Sorry. And I want to inform all our people that we are gaining ground and gaining control of our Very true. Yes. We all know what happened during the Civil War at Bakassi. It's not something I want to begin to talk about. With the level of things now, at least Cameroon is not even up to 80% control of Bakassi. And we're going to make sure that they continue to find it difficult to drill oil in Bakassi, both their Nigerian counterparts, because we know that Nigeria are taking lion's share of the oil in the revenue in Bakassi, the oil in Bakassi. That is why we are saying no to oil exploitation, but it also affect Nigeria more. So this is an advice. It's also a warning. It is not a threat. I don't make threats. I will advise you and give you serious warning. If you see it as serious matter, you do the needful. If you don't, you come and challenge, you come and try. You come and try. If they keep deploying their troops, they are creating more problems. So it's better for them to withdraw and go back to Yaoundé.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.